The 2015 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power door locks, child safety locks, fog lamps, CD player, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.